Preserving and protecting works of art, memories, and classroom aids is an important part of everyday life for most educators. With the stresses of students and curriculum, no one wants to worry about laminating. Introducing the new Ultima 65-roll laminator, designed with busy educators in mind. Our most popular laminator just got even better. It's packed with features that make it easy to operate, and we've revolutionized how easy film loading can be. This versatile machine can laminate widths up to 27 inches using 1.5 or 3 mil thick film to make preserving and protecting everything in your classroom hassle-free. The ready indicator light will turn green when the machine is at the perfect temperature for use. Laminate like a pro using features like auto speed. Laminating speed is automatically adjusted to ensure quality output. A convenient edge guide eliminates skewing. The single-touch control panel with highlighted key buttons takes the guesswork out of operation. Equipped with 2 stop buttons, one in front and one in back, an operator can quickly stop the machine at any time. Use the built-in trimmer on the back to trim projects for a perfect finish. Knowing when it is time to reload is easy with a built-in footage counter that tracks usage. Plus, the new Ultima 65 reduces the time it takes to load film by up to 50%. You now change film twice as fast. The built-in pivoting table allows easy access to the rollers, and the idler bar is now attached for an easier threading process. Easy load film with color-coded end caps, designed especially for the Ultima 65, makes loading film incorrectly almost impossible. Prefer standard film? You'll love our brand new auto grip shafts for easy film loading. The adjustable shaft hooks provide storage for your film shafts and extend the exit table to reduce any risk of frustrating and messy film wraps. Other great features include a slow forward and reverse button to clear jams, a safety shield to protect operators, and auto shutoff after 3 hours and standby mode after 2 hours. Packed with innovative features that take the stress out of laminating, especially film loading, the new GBC Ultima 65, designed for educators, is the best choice for quality laminating and maximum ease of use. Fast and easy laminating lets you put your focus on the joy of teaching.